Hi, and welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how to install Uccelerate. So first of all, I log into my Umbraco project here. I have Ucommerce installed, and then I go to Package under Development, and then I upload my package here. I choose it from my local machine. I upload the package, and then I press Install in a second. Here we go. Wait for it to install and reload the entire project. Should be all good now. So now we can press finish. And then we go back to the content section. Here I want to publish the site that we have created. So right click and go on the publish. Make sure that I also include all the sub pages. All good. And now I'm gonna load in the front page in a second. Here we go. Yeah, first of all, I want to select a product from Ucommerce. So I go down and I find my very own unicorn t-shirt down here. I select it. And now I can publish the page and I can have a look at the front page to see everything is working. Nice and simple. I have my search going on up here, my mini basket. I can go in and actually take a look at my product page. I can add it to the basket and I can do checkout. That was all for now. In the next episode, we'll go over some of the settings you can do in Uccelerate as well. But thank you so much for watching this video.